In this video we will be discussing how to create a quiz question set. First go to the content bank and locate the Add button. When you have done so, locate the Quiz question set content type and select it. This will allow you to create multiple questions and question types in the same activity. At the top of the activity you will have the option to add a title, change the progress indicator visuals, as well as edit the pass percentage. At the bottom of the activity you will have the question settings. You can add more questions using the Add Question option or select the question type by selecting the option below the Question Type option box. After you have customized the activity to your needs, click the Save option to add it to the content bank. With this, you have now created a quiz question set.